Welcome, boys and girls. Thank you for stopping by and checking out our video. Today we're going to learn how to use our Hanukkah cookie kits. The first thing we want to do is take out our icing and mix it well. When icing sits, it separates just a little bit. So we're going to want to massage it and play with it and just do whatever we need to do until it becomes one uniform color. Okay, the next step is get a small scissor and cut off a little snip of the tip. Start with small and you can make it larger as you need. The best way to hold your piping bag is open your hand and put the piping bag on your paw and close it with your thumb, between your thumb and your fingers. The fingers are going to help you to squeeze out the icing. Now you could test it on just a paper or napkin to make sure you get the feel of how you squeeze a nice little circle or a line. Let's take out our cookies and begin the fun part. The best way to start icing a cookie is with the outline. Outline your cookies, and if you have a few minutes, give them to crust. The reason we give our cookies to crust, it's going to help the icing that we're going to fill up the cookie not to spill all out of our cookie. So give like 5 to 10 minutes to crust. When you're done giving it the crust, you can fill up your cookie. This is the fun part. You could do whatever design, whatever color. Remember to use your candies and your chocolates and whatever you like. You are the creator. Have fun. Remember that little toothpick we got? That's going to help us to help push the icing to wherever we want, to the edges of the cookie, and to make it even and flat. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and comment. It helps me a big deal with my channel and my videos.